Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day. Absolutely fantastic. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Absolutely fantastic. Don't bet against the economy. Don't short stocks. Absolutely not. Not the right thing to do. And many big channels today have been betting against the economy, betting against everything, taking risk, and now they're getting wiped out. Well, what can I say other than I told you so, but whatever. It is what it is. Right, we've got an hour to go before we go into earnings. Double earnings again. 2 tonight, 2 in the morning, flat out earnings. So we're going to do some admin now because all the preparation work has been done to deliver you the earnings. But what I have to do now is some extra work to do the polls, make friends with the audiences, make friends with the companies that we're involved with. So we're going to do a little bit of maintenance right now. So here we go. So we're going to start off with applied materials. Okay, so let's do this now. We've got a bit of admin to do before the calls tonight. So that's what we'll do. That's what we're doing. So I'll share with you what I'm doing, so you can see it, see what's going on. So this is tonight. So we've got AMAT, AMAT stock applied earnings call. Okay, live now on YouTube. Okay, join the investors. Why? Whoops a daisy. Why watch alone? Okay, there you go. Why watch? Bloody hell, my typing skills getting worse. Why watch alone? Let's put the link in there. This is the event, the Real Raging Gun. How you all doing tonight? All-time highs, as you can see. Smashed it again, beaten the market again. 107,688. Another all-time high. Absolutely awesome. So let me just take that there and do this. Okay, I've got to focus a little bit now. So the ticker is AMAT, applied materials. I don't know if that will be a hashtag, but you never know. Materials. Martyn Lucas Investor. That definitely is. At least it is for me. Investor. Okay, here we go. So we've got 4 of these to do. So we've got some admin to do in line with everything else tonight. AMAT earnings. So here we go. It's just impossible to get this all done with 4 earnings a day. So here we go. Let's post that. Right, there is the post. All right, now we're also going to put in here will they, I'll zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Will they beat, or this is where we build up new relationships with the companies. Will they beat or miss? Please vote in X poll. And then we're going to run down here and do this. So beat, miss. So if you want to go and vote, please do. Undecided. And we shall give that. That's tonight. So what have we got? 2 hours. 2 hours. There we go. 2 hours. All right. There's the poll. And also, I want to know from you, is this a company we should be buying? All right, so the question is this a buy, hold, or sell for you? Please vote in X poll. So the question is it a buy, hold, or sell? So let's do that now. So buy, hold, sell, and we'll do this over 7 days. There you go. Is it a buy, hold, or sell for you? All right, there it is. Now, all we need to do now is we want to make friends with our companies. So we're going to go down to quote and Applied Materials. Let's see if they've got a presence online. A lot of these companies do, a lot of them don't. Oh, there we go. Applied Materials. Mats. Why did that not come up? Applied Mats. That's weird. Applied Materials. Okay, we'll just use that one then. Right. Okay, there we go. That's our... Now, if you want to vote, my Stream Deck still isn't working at the moment for some reason. So I'm going to give you the link here. X poll. If you want to go and vote on my poll there. We've got buys coming in already. This was requested by one of our members. We've already got people coming in liking this, which is great. We now want to go over to our Facebook and just share basically everything we've just done. Oh, not that. That's not right. Damn it! I shouldn't have copied that link. This is annoying when things aren't working properly. Slows me down, and I can't have anything that slows me down. It just makes things very, very difficult. Right. So now what I'm going to have to do is, bloody hell, is that link still going to be any good? I'm going to make sure. Applied. What the hell? What's all this? What's all this? Facebook. So much stuff goes on in Facebook. You don't know half of it. Let's try that again. I don't want that. Look at that. Hate when this happens. Fact checking. What the hell? I don't even want that. Get out of it. Facebook trying to take over the hell is this? What the hell? I hate stuff like that. Facebook trying to control everything. Look at that. Right, let's try again. Applied Materials. Getting too clever for their own boots. Right, okay, let's try again. Let's see if we've got any friends over here. Applied Materials. There we do. Oh, that's why it was coming up. It was picking up. It was picking up a Chinese website. There we go. That's interesting. Facebook doesn't like Chinese people all of a sudden. Okay. Let's go over to Facebook. Welcome everybody to the show. We're just doing some admin, getting ready for the earnings tonight. I'm doing 12 hours a day, and I'm doing all the 4 earnings a day. So some of it has to get done during shows. It's impossible not to. And these are requested by our members, so they are absolutely paramount. Applied Materials. There we go. Lastly, we've got 4 of these to do, by the way. So we're going to be doing this for a few minutes, I'm afraid. It's for your earnings tonight. I could have just cancelled the show, and I thought, no, I better go live. But let's try and get this done. Applied Materials. No, nothing on, nothing there. Okay. Right. That's done. So let's refresh that. That's the first one down. So if you requested this tonight, or you're interested in Applied Materials, we're covering the earnings on the main channel tonight. You might like to go and vote. Here is the poll. If you've not yet voted, let me see what people are saying. There's Mike. Mike's reposting. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it. Let me give you all the link to X. I can't use my Stream Deck at the moment, so unfortunately things are a bit slower. Here is X link. There's a manual link there for you. Right, lots of you have signed up for Seeking Alpha today. You've given it a free trial. You might as well. $25 off using my referral here. And you get a free trial as well, which is pretty cool, right? We've been sharing this all day. Where is it? There you go. $25 off on Seeking Alpha. That's one of the services that I use to review stocks. It's a professional service, and you can all get a really good deal right now. Links in the chat. You'll also start seeing it on the website soon when I get around to doing it. I've not had a chance yet. Right. Applied materials. The next one we need to do, excuse me, all-time highs, by the way, today. Oh, we've just got to have a laugh just for a moment, shall we? We have to have a laugh. You have to do this. I mean, I know some of you will go, you shouldn't be doing that, but I don't care. Let's have a look. Meet Kevin. Look at this. You're going to absolutely love this. This is hilarious. Look, I just got to show you this. As you can see, we've got all-time highs today, and in fact, shall I make a video? Shall I make a video out of it? What's the time? It's 11 minutes. So short versus investor. So short versus investor. Okay. Okay, here we go. How many people are watching? I'll make a little fun video, bit of a laugh. Right, you ready? Okay, tap the like button if you just turned up. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, technically it's not breaking news, but it is a bit of a laugh. It is a bit funny. What is the difference between a shorter, someone who bets on the markets going down, and a trader also, and an investor? Remember, an investor is someone who's believing in the future. Kind of makes sense, really, because everybody involved in the business, that's the CEO all the way down to the man who makes the tea, are all building things, fixing things, solving problems, trying to make the world a better place. However, those of you sitting behind your computers at home know much more than they do, obviously, and you're betting that the business is going to go down, when all you've got is an option or an app and a button you can press to try to influence a stock. Those at the factory working and building and making things, you think you know better. Well, you know, recently I've been calling it out where it is, and I'm sorry, I don't mind saying it. People like our dear friend Meet Kevin, every day doom and gloom, end of the world, World War III, knows nothing about history. I know a bit about history, and Meet Kevin, bless him, knows sod all about history. He reveals that to us every day. As he's put here, oops and daisy, I've lost all my money. Yep. He's got absolutely screwed today, apparently. Lost all his money. Apparently, he's been betting against the market. He's been predicting that the market is going to crash 60%. It's got 2 million people that follow this guy, and they leave me messages all the time telling me he's great, he works really hard. He does work really hard telling people rubbish and making up rubbish information about history, predicting World War III every 5 seconds. But anyway, World War III isn't going to happen. Look at this one. This has just come out. I'm literally, as I'm making this, it gets worse. Nuclear war is next. He likes his fire and brimstone. And I have to laugh because it's not a joking matter, really, because a lot of people are getting fearful, shorted the market, and got completely nutty stuffed today, like Meet Kevin did. Anyway, the reality is, let's come back to the real world. Businesses are growing, people are spending money. The rates are coming down. Inflation has dropped below 2%, has done months ago. If he used forward-looking indicators, he would know. But maybe he does. He just wants to short the market and then pretend he's lost his money. Anyway, this is the reality. We've got another all-time high today. I am up 3.5% today. 3.5% on the S&P. How have I done that? Of course, I'm all in. You all know how it works. There is my Roth IRA. There is my overall balance. It's an all-time high once again. I don't need to buy any more stocks to get to $1 million. I certainly won't be wasting it buying an aeroplane like Mr. Kevin will. I'll be just holding it and investing it. But there it is. I just thought I'd make a funny video because it's a little bit funny when there's no evidence to support anything he says, and there's every bit of evidence to support what I'm saying if you simply read the balance sheet and look at the numbers. And I've backed up what I've said, I've done what I've said, and I've said what I've done, and here we are, and I hope my members have all made lots of money today. You know, Stop selling videos, Kevin. Remember, you've got 2 million people sat behind your camera lens. And just before I let him go, I have to do one more thing. I really do. It's really important. I know. You're all screaming, saying, don't do it. Well, as the world piano man, I know a little bit about sound, probably a bit more than Meet Kevin does. And I want to show you something here on this thumbnail. It's quite funny. Have you noticed he's got headphones on, right? I don't know why YouTubers wear headphones all the time. Does it make them look cool? You don't need to. Have you noticed if you monitor your system properly, you don't need to wear headphones. They don't wear headphones on TV, but a lot of YouTubers like to wear headphones. What's he listening to? The radio? I've no idea. And why, this is even funnier, why has he got a Neumann rip-off microphone? This is for singers, and you should, if you use a Neumann open head microphone like this, if that's what it is, it looks like one, you should have what's it called? A windscreen in front of it, because you completely destroy it. It makes you look cool, but it doesn't do anything. And the way he's using it and the direction is completely wrong as well. I know, I'm just having a go, but I can't help it when people try to drive the markets down and try to screw everybody over, and then you just lose. And then you pretend with headphones on. I'm sorry, I can't resist it. Click above my head, down below in the description. It's my payback day today. Over here and over here. Meet Kevin. If you want to know about a microphone, just use a Beta 58. It's just as good, and it saves you thousands of dollars. You don't require it for this kind of situation. Anyway, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, I couldn't help it. I know. Right, okay. Now then, I've just done one of those. Okay, here we go. View your channel. Let me read some of the comments a moment. What have we got here? Hi all. Hi. Seriously, beautiful day. Yes, this might be the biggest bull run now for 27 of the millennium. Hopefully, we won't have to sell off before market closes. No, there's no way at all. People are still buying. Money's coming in. Me and Martin, Vaz going to be super rich. Buying old monkeys. What's your take on ANTSW stock? It's up 110%. Carl, you'd need to be a member for me to review a stock. I'm sorry. I've got to focus on the members. Good evening, Frederick. How you doing? Facebook is Chinese. Yeah, I've no idea what that was all about. Unbelievable. Meet Kevin probably thinks we are going to collapse. Probably thinks we're going to collapse in a minute. Hey, big bro, how you doing? Hi, good luck, everyone. Good luck. Is Paris Hilton going to fly today? Probably. Radio pros also wear headphones. I don't think there's a problem with it. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Listen, mate. I've recorded with the world's greatest singers and the world's greatest studios. You do not need headphones for talking on YouTube. If you are recording and you are in a sound booth and you don't want your reflection back on the microphone, there is a case for wearing headphones. There's not a case for wearing headphones if you set up your system properly when you're broadcasting on YouTube. Certainly not the way he's done it. So don't tell me about sound. I've spent my entire life living in it, working with it, with the BBC, ITV. I know a bit about sound. Don't tell me anything different. Anyway, don't come on here telling me all about that. A lot of people do it because it makes them feel good, look good. It's a load of bloody rubbish. And the reason Meet Kevin's doing it is something very different. Anyway, just telling you how it is. Don't believe me. I don't care. Right, upcoming live streams. Right, the next one. We've got to do another one now. So we're doing a bit of homework, getting ready for our earnings tonight. So on the extra channel, we are doing this. We're doing this. I'm from New Zealand. Thoughts on Amazon? Hi, Chippyism. How are you? You got a nice new badge there. Welcome to you. Right, okay, here we go. The next one. We're getting ready for earnings call tonight. So we've got a bit of homework to do. What is this? This is DESP. So let's go over to here. Lots of votes coming in now for Amat. See, this is why we got to do this. All right, so hopefully you understand. I could have just cancelled the show, but I thought, no, I need to go live. Take me to a microphone. I need to broadcast. DESP. So here's the next one. DESP. Despegar, earnings call, live now, whoops-a-daisy, now on YouTube. Join the investors, why watch alone? I wish my typing was better. Why watch alone? Let's grab the link for that. This is after hours on the extra channel tonight. So let me drop that in there. Okay, and this is DESP. It's also DESPEGAR, Despegar. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce that. Hiya, Vaz. How you doing, mate? Love to see you.
Vaz has become a member. Look who's got a nice new orange badge.
Oh, 6 months. 6 months. Look at you. Check you out, Mr. 6 months. I'm loving it. We're loving it. Congratulations. We got to do a bit of a cheer. If it's a special one, we got to cheer it. There you go. Lovely. Congratulations, mate. Thank you for your support to the channel. Shows how committed you are. Right. Okay. There we go. Let's put the Despegar. How do you pronounce that? We'll learn tonight, I guess. Here we go. Do you like my little sat on the beach? Look, do you like that? I thought I did quite good there. Anyway, no one else cares. We don't care about your thumbnails, mate. I'm trying to win awards like the Oscars for thumbnails. Right, let's tag in Despegar. Despegar. We want to make friends at all these companies, get the CEOs on the show. That's why I do all this. Despegar, there you go. Oh, hello, there's quite a few of those. So we'll just see who we attract here. Despegar. We won't do them all. Featuring Shakira. Argentina. All right, we'll do that one then. Now then, what about the poll? Flipping out, that was quick. How did I get 2 likes on it and a repost? How did I get that? I only posted 10 seconds ago. Who's stalking me on X? Who's stalking me on X? I'll find out. Bloody hell, look at that. TV Talk Spot. How did you possibly get that? Flipping hell. When it works, it really works well, doesn't it? Right. How did he possibly get that? Right, okay. You forget people are actually watching this stuff. Right. Is this a buy, hold, or sell for you? Please vote in X poll. Is this a buy, hold, or sell? So this is for tonight. This is on the extra channel. So we're going to be flat out again tonight. Buy, hold, sell, and undecided. We'll do it for 7 days. We always do 7 days. I don't know why. Just because it's the longest. It's the best. It's the best, isn't it? It's the best. You got to do the best. I want the best one. All right, then. Will they beat or miss? Please vote in X. They'll probably have a system soon. There probably already is, where I can actually speak all this into the system and won't have to type it all in. But for now, this is how I do it. At some point, I'll try and find a way of doing it without typing it all in. We better just do this for 2 hours. There you go. Oh, no, that's tomorrow morning. No, that's tonight. Yeah, post. Okay. Right. Now, bloody hell, look at that. 4 likes, 3... See, look at that. I only posted 10 seconds ago. Right. Let's go on to here. There we go. Despegar. There you go. Is there an investor group? Don't know. Haven't got time to find that out now. I'm afraid I'm doing the shortcut version of all of this because we're running out of time. Trying to do 4 earnings a day. It's because it's the middle of the earnings season. I'm trying to, and you're requesting them as well. Members, you annoy me now and give me too much work to do. I'll read the comments in a second, so don't leave me. I'll be back with you in a second. We're halfway through now. Despergar. There you go. Featuring Shakira. That can't be right, can it? Maybe it is. Right. Featuring Shakira. Does she own it, does she? I don't know. We'll find out tonight. That'd be good, wouldn't it? If that's on the show tonight, that'd be great. I'll be tuning into that. She does move well, to be fair. They're all featuring Shakira. I just think this is the way it is. Right, okay. Go back to Instagram. All the links are on the website if you want to follow all my Instagram and threads, all below every video as well. There you go. Okay, we're halfway through now. Group, Martyn Lucas Investor. What's the time? 23 minutes past. I've got to speed up. I don't know how I'm going to speed up, but I'm going to try and speed up. Okay. Let me see any comments replied to. Yeah, a lot of new people coming in here. A lot of new people, as well as our fight channel, of course. He's Mike, always there. Right, we've also got now on the extra channel, we've got this one. Just got asked to do this as well. Already got 2 people waiting to 2 likes on it, apparently. So this is C-I-N-T. Please make sure you spell that correctly. C-I-N-T. So let's drop that one in as well. C-I-N-T. Earnings call. Let me make it bigger so you can see what I'm doing. Live now on YouTube. Whoops-a-daisy. Join the investors. Why watch alone? There we go. Drop the link in. Got a funky little logo I had to put together today. It's kind of cool. Very colourful. C-I-N-T. It's a very strange business name. C-I at. I don't think I can use at, can I? No, you can't. So I'm not going to do that. Okay. Martyn Lucas in... What's it easy? Investor. Okay, here we go. Let's add in the image. C-I-N-T. There you go. Let's see how quick we find people from the company this time. Let's see how quick. Right, so it's C-I and it's at. So it's a very strange it's a C-I and T. C-I and T. So it's kind of strange. C-I and... So you can't put that in. So I don't know how you would find them. I'm not going to try. I haven't got time. So let's scrub that. Let's just do the poll. Here we go. So we'll do... make it bigger so you can see what's going on. Right. So is this a buy, hold, or sell for you? We're nearly through it now, guys. Please vote in X poll. And let's drop the poll in here. Buy, hold, sell, undecided. Okay, we'll give it a 7-day because it's the best. Okay. And people are race. It's like a race. I might give a prize in a minute to who can be the quickest. Right. Okay. Will they beat or miss? Will they beat or miss? Please vote in X poll. Will they beat or miss? Beat, miss, or undecided. There you go. And this is in the morning, so we've got 18 hours. 18 hours. There you go. Post. Oh yeah. Now we can. Let's see who commented there. Who was on it there? Polka King. Mike, of course, Mike reposting. Polka King of the Midwest likes Mike. Go. Bloody hell, Mike. What is it with you? Mike always knows. By the way, Mike's getting loads of new followers now on his X account. He's growing. He says, I don't even post anything. I just keep following. I just keep reposting your stuff. And now I'm growing. He's stealing all my content. He's like one of those hackers, isn't he? He's like one of those bloody hackers. He says, I'm not going to do any work. You do all the work, mate. I'll just post your stuff. But he said, apparently he gets followers all the time. If anybody else wants to do it, fill your boots. Fill your boots. I don't care. It's my stuff you're promoting anyway. Bloody hell. What are people like? Come up with your own ideas. Do your own bloody work. Copy and pasting all my stuff. Right. Okay. We're not even going to try doing the hashtag, doing the tags. It doesn't work. Not for this company anyway. Right. We're down to the last one. Thank God for that, he said. There you go. Stick it on the group. If you've not yet followed us on Facebook, all the links are below in the description or the website, martynlucas.com. This is how we get to meet the CEO. They get to hear about what we're doing. This is what it's all about. How we bring new businesses to you. This is the work you see me do in between the shows. I'm doing live with you now. For at least 10 seconds, Mike. Followers. 77 followers now. Look. Oh, hello. Bitcoin's falling again. Just crypto is just dying. All this great news with businesses. I know I did the right thing to get out of crypto and get all in stocks, but I didn't expect crypto just to literally, when we rally, get nothing out of it. I mean, it's getting worse. 107,733. I mean, it's getting worse. I could sell everything now, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to sell everything. That'd be a bit daft. Anyway, we've got the... you bought the bottom. Just hold it now. Hold it as long as you can. Right, okay. The next one. So we'll go back to, I think, the main channel. How many people are watching with an admin show? Hello, everybody. Apologies for being an admin show today, but I've got all these earnings coming up after hours, and there's no way I can get it done I can cancel my shows, and you could look at a blank screen if you want, but I've got to get it done, right? So I'm doing it, and I'm making it entertaining, right? At least I hope so. Anyway, you probably don't agree. You probably think it's not really that entertaining, mate. It's a bit rubbish, to be honest. But I understand why you got to do it. So, well, there you go then. Don't complain then. Right, Candy. Here's the last one. Do you like my thumbnail? People are already waiting to see it. Of course they are. Where else are you going to watch Candy earnings? Bet you never heard of it, have you? Right, I've never heard of it. Well, you're going to hear about it now. Because let's see how many people comment to this. Let's see if it's a famous stock. These are where you find the new NVIDIAs, folks. Oh, yeah, Brad, how you doing? KNDI. Candy. Right, KNDI. This is the last one. We're on the home straight now, so you'll be glad to know. Live now on YouTube. Join the investors. Now, I don't know that, of course. Nobody might be investing in it. But, I'm assuming someone does, so I'm going to go join the investors. And I'm going, why watch alone? It poses a question, right? Why watch alone? I mean, why would you watch alone, right? Because it's quieter, maybe. Why watch alone? Here is the link. Here it is. And there we go. So it is KNDI, or we've got... hang on a minute. That's better. KNDI, or we've got Candy Tech... Nol OGs. Whoops. Spell G's would be good. Technologies. And last of all, Martyn Lucas Investor. All right. There we go. This is the last one, folks. So we're all done after this. Add in the funky new image I've just made. The funky thumbnail. You liking it? I'm liking it. All right. There you go. I always give it a like. People often say, why do you do that? Because I like what I do. Right. Let's see if we can find the company. So this is Candy Tech. No. Oh, Candy EV News. That'll be it. Candy Tech. Oh, okay. Candy Tech. That'll be it. That'll be it. A couple of investor groups here. Candy America. Lovely. What about Candy Tech EV News? There we go. Marvellous. We'll make some new friends. We'll make some new friends, or we'll annoy them saying the stock's rubbish. Hello. There you go. Already getting liked. Okay. We know who it is. It's Mike trying to get, Mike's trying to get more followers. Mike, how many followers you got now? Are you getting more followers while doing this? Will they beat or miss? Please vote in X poll. I bet he's there with his lovely love. Is it Sylvia? Is it Sylvia? I forgot. Oh, Mike. What's Mike's girlfriend called? Is it Sylvia? Not Sylvia. Is it Sylvia? Lisa. It's Lisa. Yes. I bet Lisa's there on her phone and she's doing it all as well. Please vote in X poll. What is it? So a beat or a miss? Lisa, that's it. I remember now. Beat, miss, or undecided. Now, in a second, I'm going to give you the options for Monday. None tomorrow. Tomorrow is all fully booked. And we've got the party afterwards, so you can't book any for tomorrow. But Monday, I'm going to give you some you can choose from, okay? Post. And finally, then, is this a buy? Is this a buy, hold, or sell for you? Please vote in X poll. This is the last one, folks. We're done after this. We can all just do nothing. We sit on the beach. Buy, hold, sell, or undecided. Undecided. There you go. 7 days. Because it's the best. Right? It's because it's the best. Right. There you go. We've done it. Let me check my notification. I bet it's all Mike. Mike and Fight Channel. Basically, Mike and Fight Channel, basically. My 2,366 followers are basically all Mike and Fight Channel. Right then, we finished with that. We can get out of there. Fight Channel said, I can do the last one. Yep, no worries. Here we go. Now we've just got to finish off on these over here. We'll just copy and paste that there. And it is Candy Technologies. Let's see if we've got any friends. We can make any friends on Facebook. Candy Tech. No. Nothing coming up. Okay. Forget Facebook then. It's amazing how sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Instagram. Post. Candy. There we go. Well, what a funny show this has been. All watch Martyn do his work. Well, that's an interesting show, isn't it? You love it, don't you? You love it. Candy Tech. It's your flipping things you want to watch. You asked for it. Now I've got to do the work. So you can jolly well tune in and watch me do it. Candy Tech. That's not it. Okay. I'm going to give you some options in a minute for the earnings. It's first come, first serve. If you snooze, you lose. We don't mess around. I'll give you the options in a minute. Share, on to group. We're just about like 10 seconds away now. We're just about done. I say that to Leah. She says, your dinner's ready. I say, it'll be 10 seconds. Is that my 10 seconds or your 10 seconds? Your 10 seconds is never 10 seconds. It's always like 3 hours. She's right, of course. I don't know why. I just say 3 hours and then go in a minute. Right. We're done. Let's go back and see all the notifications. All right, what do we get? Mike, go, go, go. Mike, me and Mike have got this special arrangement. If he goes to the trouble of commenting, I've got a reply back. It's like a bit of a thing. Because if I comment back, his channel keeps growing.
Pokescrow donated £5 through a super chat. Any current thoughts or analysis on BP shares, please, Martin? P.S. Thank you for the great NVIDIA coverage. You rock.
Thank you very much, mate. Appreciate that. So what is that? Any current thoughts on analysis on BP shares? Martin, P.S. Thank you for the great NVIDIA. You're very welcome. BP, I've always said this. I am not the best person to ask about oil. It's nothing that really interests me, and I don't do enough work studying it. Stephen Lewandowski is the man. What I will do though is it's not a super chat, is it, for a full analysis or anything like that? But I haven't really got any thoughts. I will just share it quickly. I've only got a moment, actually. British Petroleum. I would need to do some research, to be honest. I'm not really. I don't know the oil business enough. I know a bit. I would need to think about that. Can you give me some time to think about that? I'll conflab with Stephen Lewandowski and try and find out. I'm sorry I don't know anymore. It's just not my expertise, and I'm not going to guess. I don't guess. I make decisions based upon numbers. Mike's doing it again. Bloody hell. Yeah, right, no more. No more today, Mike. I won't do any more. If you do any more, I'm not doing it. All right? I'm not here as like your puppet. Every time that you comment, I reply back. It's like a job. It's not my job, right? Okay, so we've done all that. We're prepared for the earnings. Now then, now we're prepared for the earnings. Let's get, let's finish this job off. So, what else need to do? I don't need to do anything else. We've got that one there and Candy on the extra channel, okay? So let's bring that up. Upcoming. No. There we go. Desberger. There we go. Right. We're all set. We can relax a minute now. Let me finish my latte. Got a nice creamy latte today. Oh, suit you, sir. Oh, suit you. Does it? Oh, no. Suit you, sir. Oh, does it? Do you like it? Oh, do you like it? The Americans are going, what the hell is he doing? The English are going, we know what you're doing, just not very good. All right? That's the difference, okay? That's the difference there between being on one side of the pond and the other. There's differences. Okay, let me check that. That's all good. Yes. Good. Welcome, everybody, on the extra channel. Thank you so much indeed. We're up to 70 people here this afternoon. So we've got 19 minutes to go. We're not making any more videos. We've just done the little short versus investor. Meet Kevin. I couldn't help it. I put it out. I put it out now. Well, I'll put it out later. By the way, this is for all the members. You know, yesterday, 3 days ago, we were at 30,000 and we got to 31,000 the next day. And I said, if we get to last night to 32,000, that would be 1,000 a day, 2 years in a row, 2 days in a row. Look, we did it. This was last night. We've done 96 today. We were 32,000 last night. Isn't that amazing? 32,000. That's 2,000 in 2 days. I can't believe it. And we're already at 32,096. I cannot believe it. Anyway, I want to thank everyone. Seriously, it's the greatest job in the world. And what's really annoying me though, you see how the hours they roll? It's like a rolling 48 hours. That's about to fall off. But look, 49,714. I was hoping to get to 50. I said to Leah, I got to let all this new challenges go, because when it's 50, it's 100. When it's 100, it's at 1,000,000. When it's a million, there's never enough, is it? And I'm enough. I'm happy. But it would be good to see 50,000, wouldn't it? It would, wouldn't it? Can everybody go and watch all my shorts? We've got 15. In fact, look, we've got 15 minutes, because it will keep going up for 15 minutes before that lot, which is 991, falls off. So we got 15 minutes to get 275 views, right? To see 50,000. Who wants to help me do it? You ready? I'm not doing anything else on this show until the bell goes and we do the earnings. I'm not doing anything, so you might as well play along. So I've got, ready? That's got to go to 50,000, right? You might as well play along, because I'm not going to do anything else. You might as well, right? Just for the crack, because in a minute it's going to fall off, right? So this is what you got to do. If you want to join in and have some fun with me, we've all got to do it now. Go on to the main channel. Here's the main channel. Click playlist. Click playlist. Where's all the shorts? I think it's at the bottom. Scroll to the bottom, scrolling. Bloody hell, how many playlists have I got? Shorts playlist. Let me give you the shorts. Here it is. View full playlist. Right? There's the short. Right. Okay. Here we go. Good God, says Mike. Yes. Right. There is the short playlist. Right? Each one's like 10 seconds. If everyone does it right now, I'm not doing anything else on the show. You might as well. Right. Let's get that to 50,000. Nothing happens when we get there. No one's going to reward me. No one's going to thank me. No one's going to do anything. But if you click playlist and just play all, watch that go. Look, there you go. 749. Come on. Go. We've got literally 14 and a half minutes to do it. Because in 14 and a half minutes, the 1,000 is going to fall off. 752. I know if you're doing it, because it should go every couple of seconds. No one's doing it yet. Right, I'll bloody do it then. Right, look, what you do is this. 755. Right, I'll bloody do it. No one else is bloody doing it. Look, hang on. How do I get to it? Oh, damn it, I was there then. Trying to show you. Oh, hang on, I'll just give you the link. Where did I put the link? Oh, there you go. Click on that bad boy. Right, there's the playlist. I don't know if you can see this, but look, play all. Can you see it? It's just off the screen. If you click play all, it's just here. Just there, look. See? Right, people are doing it. Right, people are doing it. Right, there you go. Let it play, right? Play all. Let's go back to here. Each one's about 10 seconds. And it'll just go boom, 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 boom. Let's see if we can do it, right? There you go. 767. We got 13 minutes to go. Everyone's got to start doing it. Come on. Oh, there we go. 771. It's just something to do, because we've got nothing to do, nothing to talk about, and there's no earnings coming up until the bell goes. So we might as well, right? Don't be lazy. Get involved, right? 49,771. 75. Am I the only one playing along? I'm on my third one already. Let's read the comments. Let's see who's doing it. I want to see who's doing it. Let me give you the link. There's a short playlist. 781. Let's read the comments. This could be a perfect time to do a review. For what? For doing what? What am I doing? Right? I respect you, big sis, but Mary Poppins could fly like me. 787, perfect time to do a review. What, in the last 5 minutes? No, David Ewan, you got no chance. Tomorrow on the show, Martyn repairing the coffee machine. Respect back, MSK. MSK, get to the copper. Get to the carpet. Need to do the work between the opening and closing bell or after the closing bell, not during. So God made a farmer. Bugger off, mate. I ain't got time. I'm live 12 hours a day for you, doing 4 earnings a day, about 30 videos and shorts a day. I can't possibly do any more when I'm not on air. So God made a farmer. It's bloody impossible. If you want all these reviews, I've got to do a little bit while I'm on air. It's impossible not to. There's not 5,000 hours in a day. There isn't. Thank you, sir. I love your voice. Suze 007. Thank you so much. Look, we got 11 minutes to go. 49,813 before the 1,000 that rolls across falls off. Get to the carpet. Can Virgin Galactic reach $100? Yes, it certainly can. Yes, it certainly can. BP's going to be a slow growth. Get your 5% dividend. Boring. Not for the green gang. I like boring. Boring is good. 4% today. Let's go. Justin Sports Card. Josia wants to work in population health. Let me know. These earnings have changed, Martyn. He is not the Martyn we all knew. Too many earnings make Jack a lonely boy. I think that's the line from The Shining. These earnings have changed Martyn. He is not the Martyn we all knew. What do you mean he's not the... What do you mean I'm not the Martyn you all know? What's different? What's changed? Good day. Loving it, mate. MSK is like a population control. Hey, hang on.
TJ Molden donated $9.99 through a super chat, saying thanks for a stellar show as always.
There you go. Stellar show as always. There's nothing wrong with the show. People want to tune in and watch me work. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with doing that. TJ Molden appreciates it. TJ Molden, because he says, look, Martyn, I want to see the earnings. You got to set them up. You got to do the thumbnails. You got to do the polls. You got to set the videos up. I understand that. Right, because we are stacked for that. MSK is like a population control. Do you remember the silence of the day? We should have had 10,000. That wasn't. But do you remember the silence of that day? We should have had 10,000. I know. I will never do it again. I will never do that again. Wash your shorts. LOL. Good God, says Mike. Stacey Bailey, not at all. I devote all my life understanding how the population has been screwed. Oh, hello, the paradigm, rawhide. Let me just say, your analysis on Plug has been amazing, especially with them differing 40 million rev. Next, pretty reassuring. Stayed under 2 for 2 weeks. Loaded the flipping boat. Loaded the flipping boat. 49,877. Am I the only one doing the shorts playlist? I think I am. Look at me. I'm on number 12 already. Look at this. I'm on number 12. Look, 12 views all by myself. Unbelievable. Let's see 50,000. Everybody, come on. There's a short playlist. Stop messing around. We've got 12 in 9 minutes. The 1,000's going to fall off. Come on, people. I'm not doing any earnings until the bell goes. You might as well join in. Don't be so miserable. Doesn't have anything to do until the bell. Reviews. I'm on the playlist now. Mike's doing it. I'm gonna have to look it up. Stacey Bailey's on it. There we go. 49,907. Oh, 93 to go. 93 to go. Come on, get 49,911. Come on, get in. Leah's going, this show's too loud. I need soundproofing. Leah said to me yesterday, she wants soundproofing. I'm doing it, crazy man. Fight channels on it. Yes, Bailey. Yes, like crazy. Just like crypto, all infected with rubbish. LOL. That's fantastic, MSK. 9.99 saying thank you for the stellar show. 927. We're gonna do it. We've got 8 minutes to go. 8 minutes. We're smashing it. Have you read how they broke Britain? No, I haven't. I'm too busy breaking my YouTube channel. Have you been live for 50 minutes in David's defense? But you have been live for 50 minutes in David's defense. Just say, and I've done all those polls and all those posts. What are you talking about? I've been busy. What earnings are you covering? Bloody hell, mate. How could you not know? How could you not know? I've just posted it everywhere 4 times. Unbelievable. LOL. Can Tesla hit $500? Don't know. Elon Musk is destroying Tesla right now. The atmosphere around the world isn't good. You're live 3 to 4 hours a day, Martin. Your extra channel runs maybe 8 hours a day, but you're not live. Right, okay. So God made a farmer. You're starting to annoy me now. The extra channel is live 12 hours a day. It's live from 6:30 in the morning to about 7 at night. It's actually live like 13 hours, actually. That runs all day. I'm live. I'm in the studio all day from 6 until about 6. So I'm in the studio 12 hours a day. I'm live talking to people in the extra channel in between the shows. So I'm actually on air for 12 hours a day, plus all my live streams. Today I put out, I think, 12 videos. Didn't get any shorts today. I've done 4 earnings, 2 this morning, 2 tonight, and 2 in the morning. Plus I'm doing all my emails and everything else around the house. I think I do enough. Good God, so God made a farmer. Right, 983. We got 6 minutes to go. We're going to smash 50,000 views in 48 hours. Sorry, but I'm a little salty because I paid for a GW review 2 months ago, and he can't say he's too busy all the time. Yes, I can actually, so God made a farmer. I'm really, really sorry. Honestly, I'm really, really sorry you're not happy with the service, but I'm going to explain in a moment what happened with that, and I have tried to explain this several times. 49,992. Come on, let's do it. A little bit of fun. Here it goes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, there it is. 50,001. We did it. It was just a bit of fun. It was just a bit of fun. Right. So let me come out of that a minute. Let me just come back to here. So let me just take a moment, and I just really, really put nothing above my members. I demonstrate it every day, but obviously, so God made a farmer doesn't feel so. So I want to apologize. Seriously, I don't want anyone getting left behind and anyone being upset. So let me just have a look where so God made a farmer is. Right, here we go. So God made a farmer. You're absolutely correct. You gave me $2, $1.99 for a review of GWAV. You're absolutely correct. Let me just be absolutely clear though, right? My time isn't, you know how long it takes me to make a review, edit it, put it out. It's about 2 or 3 hours work in total with doing it, editing it, putting it out. It's about 2 or 3 hours. Okay, so that would mean that my time is worth about 80 cents an hour. It's not. My time is worth thousands of that. That isn't my time or my price. That's the price that you decided to pay for me to do that for you. Okay, and I will do that for you. However, you bid $1.99 and many people have done more and you keep slipping down the list. That's just the way it goes. I can't do anything about that. I can't, if someone, I mean, I've got a few people here who have given me $1. They're at the bottom of the list. They understand that. They understand that they can't get me to go to work for them for $1. I physically impossible, right? So you chose to bid $1.99. You are sadly about 8th down the list, 9th down the list. Nothing I can do about that. Others have paid more, and I've done them as fast as I can. I've been before earnings season. I was doing 2 and 3 earnings reviews a day. When earnings started, I said we've got to focus on earnings. We can't stop the show. We can't not cover earnings. With the greatest respect, because you gave me a $1.99 super chat. I hope that I'm trying to be as fair as I can. I'm sure you understand if you think about it. There's nothing I can do. You don't pay for the reviews. You do a donation, super chat, and I do them as soon as I can. And I can't work any harder. And I've said many times, and I've done this many times, if the reviews get too many, I then take a couple of days off and do nothing but reviews. I've done review days several times where I do reviews all day. And I've done that. I've even worked over the weekends. We're not quite at that point where there's too many. But otherwise I would. But I have to put earnings season, which is driving the market, before everything else. And we've only got a few days left and it all goes quiet and I can do more. But if you had done a $10 super chat, yours would have been done ages ago. Because I did a review just about 3 or 4 days ago, which was a $10 super chat, but you chose to pay $1.99. And so I can't do anything about that. I'm doing the best I can. I'm sorry you're not happy with the service, but you're buying my time. And my time I value a lot more than $1.99. I'm giving it to you. It just might take me a while to get to you. Okay? And you can always jump up the queue. But you choose not to, and that's fine. But that's all I can do. I'm sorry you're not happy with the service. I can't do anymore. I work as hard as I can. I'm sorry you're not happy. And I hate anyone being disappointed. Whoa, you would have lost money. No, you didn't. You wouldn't lose money because of me. I do the review, and that then doesn't tell you should or not buy the stock, right? You buy the stock because you want to buy the stock. You've not lost $7,000 because of a $2 review that I haven't yet done. Now, come on. Let's do it. Sensei Crypto, how you doing? I wish I listened to you on the FFI scam instead of the Redditors. Yeah, I wished you had as well, because the whole FFIE was a ridiculous scam run by a convicted gambler. What was his name? Omar. People were angry with me because they said, Omar said, we've prayed to God. God is going to save us. He's going to protect us from. I mean, literally, he said that on his show. I said, you think God's going to protect you from your gambling addiction? What are you talking about? This is ridiculous. Stop gambling. That's all you got to do. But nobody paid for the polls and all that. I think that this is why they're frustrated. I'm just trying to help is all. Don't shoot the messenger. It's because we've got the earnings out tonight, Stacey, and I have to do these polls for the earnings. Otherwise, what's the point of doing the earnings? I could just cancel the show and do it off air. All right, 3, 2, 1. I could cancel my shows, take 2 days off and do other things. But if I'm going to come live, I've got to work and do what what am I supposed to do? Seamus, never listen to Reddit. No, Reddit is a place for scammers, trolls, bots in their bedrooms, gamblers, thieves, vagabonds, and God knows what else. Absolutely right. Pay no attention to any of that stuff. Shall I call in? No, we haven't got time, MSK. We're about to start the earnings. Good God, Mike. Hell yes, I know. Let me read the comments. Hi, guys. William, just keep calling in until he does. He will enjoy that. I love this guy. A bone. Thank you so much. You and Sensei at the same time. That would be good. Yeah, Sensei hasn't got much time these days, I'm afraid, though. Announced a new battery type. Very cool. Thank you for that. Samsung. Yeah. Let's have a look. I'm not all for what's going on here. Yeah, my husband's not a small guy. Has kicked ass for me before. What do you think of Nvidia strategy? Want to go all in before earnings with a 2% stop loss. I don't believe in stop losses. I just buy, but I'm already in. I own it through the S&P. I wouldn't be buying it and chasing it now. I already own it. I want all my stocks to be up 100, 200%. I'm not looking for 10% gains. I'm looking for 100% on the S&P, 200% on the S&P, so we could have massive market crashes and just buy more. I don't want to ever be in a position where I'm chasing a stock, gaining hopefully 10%, and then it drops back down again. So I would already be in now with Nvidia. It's why I've been making these videos. Let's do day trader of the day. Hi, yeah, man. Who have significant others who want the girlfriends? A quality woman is enough, yeah. Only 24 hours a day, Martin. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. So God made a farmer. I've given close to 100 times what you've given just because this is such a good atmosphere and something positive and fun in a world that's buggered. Thank you, TJ Molden. You have. That is very, very true. And I really do thank you for that. And that's why you've had so many reviews as well. Okay, I understand. To Meet Kevin, since I found you. I unsubscribed from Meet Kevin. Don't encourage anyone to unsubscribe, but I do encourage you to take notice of what he's saying. It's to benefit him, not you. All right? He could care less. A bit hand one disrespect me. Hang on a minute. BP is a good... Here we go. BP. Stephen Lewandowski. Stephen, if we could have a private phone call, I would like to learn more about oil so I can share it with people. Okay? You are the oil man. 50,164. That's what we got to. Fantastic. Thank you very much, Sensei Crypto. Thanks, mate. FFIE doing another reverse split. It's going to zero. Do not touch it. I understand Martin was just helping get them heard. All is all. I'm going to tell your Leah you're yelling at me. What do you think of playing earnings with tight stops? No, I don't do any stop losses. I know what I own and I own what I know and I hold it. Hey, game, he gave a shout out. Hell yeah. A bone, absolutely. He gave me a shout out. I answer everyone's questions. I always do. I know he won't. Nvidia. How long will it take Virgin Galactic to reach $100? And can it reach 200? There's no evidence to support it could reach 200. 100 it could do within a year. If everything goes well with Delta, absolutely right. It could very easily, actually. But 200, there's no way to calculate. That would just be guessing. Yes, but to buy more, you should think of a level to sell margin on the dips and crashes. 24 usable hours in every day. Just saying. Yeah. I sleep about 6 hours and work every other second. Here we go. So I've got it. This is my last question. Why would I pay more to bump my review up when I don't need it anymore? How about a refund? The stock lost all its value. So why would I need the review now? Well, first of all, it's not a payment. You didn't pay me to do a review. You gave a tip, a donation. It's not a transaction. It's a tip. You gave me a tip to do a review, and I'm going to do the review. If you'd like me to change it to something else, I will gladly do it. But I can't refund you. If you're not happy with my service, seriously, I strongly recommend you go and watch Meet Kevin, because he won't talk to you. He won't answer you. He won't even know you're there. He won't even care, and you can get false information. He'll never do a review for you, and perhaps that's better for you. Honestly, I can't do any more. I've apologized, but really I can't do any more for my members. I do more than anybody else on YouTube TV by a million, and I'm sorry that I can't, move the earth for you for $1.99. I would love to, and I want to, and I've done free reviews for members on members days, and I will do that for you as well. But please, I can't do any more. Anyway, thank you, Seva. How can I buy more? Right, here we go. Time to end the show. This is what's going to happen. This was requested now by my members to do the earnings tonight. We have 2 earnings tonight. And on Monday, I've already made my mind up. I'm going to do a members day, cancel the shows, and go through all reviews. I'm going to do 4 or 5 reviews on Monday and Tuesday and catch up with reviews. I don't want anyone being disappointed. Right, okay. I will do the best I can. So, here we go. Over on the main channel, where we are right now, we are doing applied material earnings. That starts in a couple of moments. On the extra channel, we are doing live in a couple of moments, Despegar earnings. These are all set up for you. We have the polls running on X and everywhere else that you can take part in. Okay? All right, okay. Claim a chargeback. What do you want about claim a charge? Oh, bloody hell, this is getting silly now. We're having arguments over $1.99. All right, whatever. So let me do this now. We're going to send everybody to the extra channel. Everyone now, I'm going to send to the extra channel. Customization, redirect, send you all to the extra channel. Then we can start the earnings, okay? So here we go. Save that. give everybody the link now to the extra channel. We're doing 2 earnings at the same time. Could maybe work some weekends to catch up. I know us farmers have to when we can't find the time during the week. So you're asking me to work at the weekends for you for $2. Seriously, so God made a farmer. If this is not for you, unsubscribe. Don't be a member. I'm not going to work over the weekend for you for $1.99. I don't believe you. I can't even believe you're asking me this. Like seriously, you work over the weekend, and I'll give you $1.99, and you can spend the weekend working for me. I mean, getting a bit silly now, mate. All right, so there you go. There's the extra channel. We're going to go to the extra channel right now. Let me end the show, and then I'm going to come straight back with your 2 earnings. We have 2 earnings to do tonight on the main channel and the extra. If you all go now to the extra channel first of all, then I can give you all the links from there. Are you ready? Okay, let's clear the boards. End camera here, and here we go. What have I missed? I can feel the tension. But obviously values high super chats. But obviously values higher super chat. Also 7,000 to invest on a penny stock and only 2,000. Yeah, exactly, Sensei. He reckons he's lost $7,000, but it's only worth $1.99, and I should work over the weekend for him. I don't need subscribers and members like that. I don't. Not worth the bloody aggravation. Okay. Go on, Martin. Get him. Yeah, I'm just being straight. I was polite, really polite at the beginning, but now it's getting a bit ridiculous. Can you work the weekend for me? So no, I don't. You know, you're shooting yourself in the foot there, mate. Okay, here we go. Let me send everyone now to the extra channel. I'm about to start 2 earnings as requested by the members. Thank you very much indeed, guys. See you over there on extra right now. Take care of yourselves and each other.